Two phones, one WhatsApp, and all messages are arriving on both phones at the same time in real time. If I write a message on one phone, it shows up on the other phone instantly. No third-party apps or hacking, just the official method. If you want to leave one phone at the office and use the other at home, today's tutorial will make your life much easier. I have used this for 6 months. Honestly, I cannot imagine being without it now. Let's go straight to the screen. No more talking. First, pick up the phone where your WhatsApp is currently running. We will call this our main phone or primary device. Open your app. Look at the top right corner of the screen for a more icon. Give it a light tap. Most people never find this option, but it is the key to everything. Inside settings, look for a text called linked devices. Did you find it? Good. Now tap on that linked devices option. Once you enter, you can see where else your WhatsApp is logged in. If you had a laptop or computer connected before, it would show here. Our job now is to add a new phone here. So click the blue link a device button right away. After clicking the button, it will ask for your phone's security check. If your phone has Face ID, Touch ID or a passcode, use it to open the phone. This is a good thing about WhatsApp because no one can move your chat somewhere else without your permission. Your phone will now switch to camera mode and be ready to scan a QR code. Keep this phone to the side for a moment. We will work with the second phone now. Now take your second phone where you want to run WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp should not be set up on this phone already. If it is, uninstall it and install it again fresh. When you open the app, it will first ask you to choose a language. Pick your favorite language and move forward. Basically, your app needs to be in a state as if you are using it for the very first time. No rush, do it slowly. You now see a big button on the screen that says Agree and Continue. Tap on it. Normally we have to give our phone number here, but we will not give any number. Instead of giving a number, look at the top right corner of the screen for 3 small dots. Tap those dots and a small menu will appear. This is the secret step that many people miss. Do you see the menu? Yes, that is where our next task is. Click the link as companion device text from inside the menu. As soon as you click, a large QR code will appear on your second phone screen. This code is the bridge between your two phones. Keep this screen as it is. Do not let it close. If the screen closes, the code will expire. Be careful. Now take your first phone that we left in camera mode. Use the first phone to scan the QR code on the second phone screen directly. It might take a few seconds. You will see your chats loading slowly. Your messages, media and contacts are all syncing on both phones now. And did you know you can run the same WhatsApp on up to 4 devices this way? This uses cloud technology, so do not worry. Your data will stay completely safe. When the loading is done, you will see the exact same chat list on your second phone. You can now send messages to anyone from the second phone as well. Even if your first phone's internet is off, WhatsApp will work on the second phone. This is a huge benefit. Before, the main phone always had to be online, but that trouble is gone now. I sync my 2 phones this way. Do you see the chats on your screen? I hope everything is correct. That is it. Your work is done. Now you can use the same WhatsApp on 2 phones at once without worry. If you ever feel you need to log out from the second phone, you can do it easily from settings. If today's video helped you, do not forget to give a like. Do one thing, send this video to a friend who uses 2 phones right now. It will change their day. Stay well and stay with us. Thank you.